Have you ever pondered about the magic of organic gardening? It's a world where nature's bountiful gifts are nurtured, free from harsh chemicals and synthetic fertilizers. This practice has seen a surge in popularity, becoming the go-to choice for many gardening enthusiasts. But why? It's because organic gardening is more than just a method. It's a harmony with nature, a commitment to sustainability, and a pledge to healthier living. Organic gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a lifestyle choice that's beneficial for us and the environment. So what exactly makes organic gardening so advantageous? Well, first and foremost, organic gardening can result in healthier produce. Without the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, you're not only avoiding harmful chemicals, but also allowing your plants to absorb a more natural, richer blend of nutrients from the soil. Beyond this, organic gardening is a champion of environmental sustainability. It encourages the use of natural resources, reduces water pollution, and fosters a healthier ecosystem. And let's talk about cost-effectiveness. By composting kitchen scraps and yard waste, you create your own nutrient-rich soil amendment, saving money on costly, chemical-laden fertilizers. Last but certainly not least, organic gardening offers therapeutic benefits. The simple act of tending to a garden, nurturing its growth, can be incredibly calming and grounding. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, to find peace and satisfaction in the fruits of your labor. As you see, the benefits of organic gardening extend far beyond a simple hobby. It's a meaningful and rewarding endeavor. Are you ready to reap the rewards of organic gardening? There's no time like the present to begin your journey into this sustainable, fulfilling practice. No matter if you're in a bustling city or a quiet countryside, organic gardening is within your reach. Even the smallest spaces can become a thriving oasis of life. With a little dedication and patience, you can cultivate a garden that's not only beautiful, but also beneficial to the environment. So join the organic gardening movement today and experience the joy and benefits it brings firsthand. Before you go, there's one more thing. Like and subscribe for more organic gardening wisdom. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!